Hello everyone and welcome back to today's weather video. So today we're going to be talking about the upcoming threat that does loom over the South and Gulf Coast states over the next couple days and the potential to see a severe weather outbreak. So let's get right into it. So today is Tuesday afternoon and this storm system is currently out into the Four Corners region, kind of just producing some snow in parts of Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Denver. You could be picking up a few more inches of snow as the storm system starts to actually dive south from basically the northwest into this actual region later on tonight, and then pull away from you all into the front range of the Rockies and the high plains, and the panhandles of Texas, Oklahoma, going into Kansas and Nebraska tomorrow on Wednesday. So right now it does look like that our storm system will be making its way across the actual southern part of the actual United States over into Wednesday, especially going into Thursday and Thursday evening. Now, these places along the south, especially Texas and parts of Texarkana and everything, have already been inundated with a lot of flooding and severe weather over the past day or so with the storm system that just moved on and currently moving over here into the south and the southeast. This storm system will be making its way off the actual southeast coast, but we are going to see a lot of heavy rainfall into the southeast and mid-Atlantic states tonight, Tuesday night, going into the day Wednesday, especially along the Carolinas and the mid-Atlantic coastline. You will be seeing pretty much a damp day on Wednesday. Once that storm system is out, though, then the atmosphere is going to juice up again, become pretty unstable as this next storm system from the Four Corners region sweeps into the south. Then we're going to tap into the Gulf of Mexico moisture once again. With that flow coming inland, the storm system is actually going to be able to strengthen some. We're going to have the lift in the actual atmosphere, creates a lot of instability in terms of, atmosphere and everything. And that's going to spark, again, another round of potentially severe weather. This one more prolific, it looks like, than the one we just saw. So even though we did see quite a few reports with this past system that moved on with damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes and flooding, this next one coming up on Thursday night, could actually be even a bit stronger. So we are emphasizing that, if you live in the southern part of the United States along the Gulf Coast, from Texas over into the southeast and going north into the Tennessee, River Valley, Missouri, Arkansas, you're in kind of like the bullseye area for the next severe weather outbreak. This does include, again, damaging winds, hail, flooding, and the risk to see more tornadoes. And again, we are pretty much getting right into the peak season for tornadoes. So this is the time of year that we all want to just, make sure that we have our heads on straight and that we're always looking to, the local news stations and everything, just to make sure that, if any watches or warnings pop up in your area, to take, shelter immediately if the actual situation calls for it and everything. So the setup on Thursday and Thursday evening, again, it's not a huge area of the country, but we are expecting to see, again, very muggy conditions. Temperatures are going to be well into the 70s and 80s, and dew points will also be into the 60s and 70s. So it will be very muggy outside. But we have a lot of energy working with the actual storm system that's going to be strengthening over into eastern part of Texas on Thursday. And as it sweeps up into parts of the south and southeast Thursday and Thursday night, that's where we're actually going to see, again, the severe weather outbreak. And it does look more likely than anything at this point. But back into the actual west you go, we are expected to pick up several inches of snow with this new system that is diving into the actual area again tonight going into Wednesday. Again, Four Corners region and everything around the Albuquerque, Santa Fe area, going into, again, parts of Denver and parts of Utah and northeastern Arizona. Some of the higher mountaintops could actually be picking up possibly 10 to 15 inches of snow. And these places in the southwest really have not gotten a whole lot this whole entire winter really did not even have a monsoon season. Honestly, we are in exceptional drought conditions out here, so we need any precipitation that falls, rain, snow, whatever it is, as long as it, is precipitating. That's the actual good news. So that is my weather video for today. Again, Thursday into Thursday night, we're going to have to watch the south and the southeast coastlines of the United States to see about that potential severe weather threat coming into those areas. And then it will sweep on off the coastline on Friday. But guess what, East Coast? You may not get severe weather on Friday, but you could be seeing record temperature highs on Friday. And I'll talk about more of that in my next video, which will come out tomorrow evening on Wednesday. Remember to keep your eye to the sky, everyone, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.